Ever noticed a strange app called Samsung Cloud Assistant on your Galaxy device? Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more hidden Samsung features. Samsung Cloud Assistant runs in the background. You never installed it, and sometimes it even shows battery uses. So, what exactly is this app? Samsung Cloud Assistant is a hidden system service that works with Samsung Cloud. It doesn't have any app icon or interface, but it runs silently in the background. Its main job is to handle three important things: syncing your data, managing backups, and restoring files when needed. For example, when you switch it to a new Samsung device or reset your device, this service helps bring back your contacts, settings, and app data. Now, you might be wondering, why are you suddenly seeing this app? That's because Samsung now shows more system services in battery stats and app list. Good news is this app is completely safe. It's an official Samsung system component and it does not spy on you. But here's the important part: you shouldn't disable or force stop it. Doing that can break cloud backup or restore services. So, overall, Samsung Cloud Assistant is not something to worry about. It's an essential background service that keeps your data safe and synced. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Galaxy Station for more hidden Samsung secrets.